Hello everybody, I am now gonna show you some tips and tricks on how to make your own little abstract painting. The first thing I would say is to choose either cold colors or warm colors. I have chosen blue and green and a little bit of purple, and when you do that, you will avoid that a painting look like a mess. So stay tuned and see what I'm doing. Well, okay, I'm gonna tell you some more. I am painting watercolor onto a thick paper, and I have made it wet. So when you do that, the pigments will flow and you get this very nice soft style. I will do that now for a while, and then I am gonna, when it's dry, I'm gonna paint over it again and make more circles on top of it. And by the way, I am using the Gansai Tambi Japanese watercolor set, and it has 36 colors. It is a set that I think must be for students. It's very inexpensive, and it's totally good. It's lots of colors, and I especially like the turquoise and sky blue. There's lots of nice colors here, but I'm going to work on the cool colors. I'm going to place them side by side, and when this layer is dry, I'm going to paint another layer on top of these colors that you see now. And I might go one more layer and put other circles on top of that again. So it's quite easy, and I think everybody could do it, even if you never painted before. I'm gonna add some salt on top of the painting. It's important that it's not soaking wet. It should be like in between dry and wet. And I will leave it there till it's totally dry, and when you remove it, you will get a nice surprise. If you're still here, you maybe liked the painting or see that I painted. So you can subscribe and follow me and get updates when I make new videos. I have a blog and you might find things there interesting. So go ahead and subscribe, and thank you so much. See you again.